Welcome, in front of me I have REALME Narzo 10 and today I'm going to check how fingerprint sensor works on this smartphone. So how fast it is, if it works every time, if it recognizes our fingerprint every time, and if it is reliable for sure. So let's make a few unlocks to see what is going to happen. So as you can see, it's pretty fast. It doesn't work every time, but it's almost every time. So when you feel the vibration, it means that it doesn't recognize my finger, and you can hear it right now. But definitely it works fast. It's not reliable, so what I mean, it doesn't work every time, but most often, often it works. And yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.